Why am I saying that, comrade? There is this thing called high morale. Then I have to say high discipline, comrade. High discipline. So massage, njalo, comrade. It is because of techniques for the comrade. So tell us ukuthi kube ne-order, utholakala umsindo, comrade. Bese siyakwazi shape makabani. Simply because sizanga la comrade ukusodala makabani. But you are here, comrade. Ekutheni sisondisela imessage. Estap sibaluleke kakhulu comrade umjila ama-Valentine ngene wathole kusasa. Hayi morale. Hayi discipline. Hayi morale. Hayi discipline. Comrade, once again makabani. EFF Student Command yanikelela comrade. Kanti ave ngishaya impama comrade. Ngiyacela bayithathe. Abanye beme ngapha kwezokuthi umfundi nabanye bengenelanga phakathi comrade. So that sikwazi ukwenza isikole sokuyelela comrade. Mele siyogeza maqabane. Manta. Awethu. Awethu. Amanda. Anta. Awethu. Awethu. Amanda. So once again, comrades, my name is Fighter Wise Orlando Kispongo Makabane. Once again, comrades, the one standing before you, the Fighter Wise comrades Orlando Kispongo Makabane. From an ignorance comrade, the Fighter Stand comrade, who's the former resident in Rising officer of the EFF Student Command here in QT Tapping Branch comrade. Handi ngedwa makabani amba nabona kana kana phansi kapakazoma tule. So comrades, once again masoji, you are here comrades, not because of your post comrades. You are here makabani, not because you know comrades esoyenza comrades. First in jail, bese ngakaze sisifike la ekhaya comrades esifayitha. Hayi morale. Hayi discipline. Comrade napasa high school. Noma nifuna sesitawuthi ngibase high school principal. So kwaqeda nje ngathi lento leyo ungayithola njengala instruction abanikeza wona mawuzobhala comrade. Bekuthi asingathi bakhulumela le report owazaniqhubeka. So masoshi So masoshi, once again you are here simply because you are not bored comrade, but you are understanding the struggle of the child. You are understanding comrade ukuthi inyuvesi isama ngayo yonke indlela maqabala ukuthi utoshise insipho comrade. What I mean comrade, isama ngayo yonke indlela to study comrade the black people maqabala. How so comrade? Inyuvesi maqabala ayina ndaba nomfundo omnyama comrade. Inyuvesi maqabala mhlawumbe abafika kwathiwa uzoyi-duty department of technology comrade. Ikahle kahle, that is not true maqabala. But nje it's a Durban University of Trauma comrade. It's a Durban University of Trouble maqabala. Kanjani ke comrade? Mhlawumbe abanye benu bathi mabefika la bayi-witnessa leyo nto leyo. Befika abafundi bebaningi e-gate 3 maqabala bezofuna ibhesi comrade. Abanye sebeyigqoyela ama-offer comrade, abanye baphendula bathule maqabala. Yet kuthiwa University of Technology kodwa ifeyila comrade to provide technology. Fana noma ungena e-gate 3 umalume maqabala emile lapha e-gate that student card ungena e-gate 3 comrade. There is no technology within the gates maqabala. Of which that is not a University of Technology comrade. But I want 12 March institution comrade. ngizela nento esibhekene nayo ezabantu abamnyama. Last week on Friday, comrades, i-University ya-issue statement esasithi bonke abafundi comrades on Monday, of which bebesho this week comrades Monday ababuyele esikoleni maqabane. Then ngayo leyo Friday leyo comrades, i-University ya-issue statement esithi kunabafundi comrades abazothola ama-allowances maqabane. Ikahle kahle umfundi wonke osabithile kumele athole allowance comrade. They've said that comrade. But asane kuze kwenzeke kanjalo. Simply because comrade. Ngoba bengike ngaveza ukuthi inyuvesi ayinandaba nomfundo omnyama maqabane. Hayi morale, hayi discipline. Masosha sicela engathi ngimela ngale mawuthi kanjani. Yabo kuze lo ngalo. So comrades, once again maqabane. On Friday masosha inyuvesi yakhipha imali oku 1,750 yanikeza ama-student kodwa yanikeza 30% ofuthi 70% maqabana uyithola ngaleyo mali. Lapho kuleyo 70% kunabafundi abayisukela nenkandla njengami comrade abathatha entweni abanayo ngisho imali yokuthenga uphaka comrade kodwa they are being expected ukuthi behambe beyofunda comrade. Yabo mabefika laba they are being excluded kwabanye abafundi comrade and ave kuqhubeka maqabana ukuthi hamba nophaka olikhele ulungisa ngaphansi comrade ngetini comrade yabo simply because udabile maqabana. So leyo nto leyo asista EFF we saw comrades who know this is a plan that into institution and you can't allow it comrade. Then we made a point maqabana ukuthi asista EFF we must tell all the children ukuthi abakwazi ukuya esikoleni not only because of that maqabana but only because of comrades. But yana esikoleni Monday comrade kodwa inyuvesi ayinikeza angisho yedwa umfundi ibook allowance maqabana. Ibook allowance kumele uthenge incwadi comrade leya mali u-5,500 something comrade yabo kumele uthenge ibook allowance ngaloyo mali leyo comrade ungapheleli leyo book allowance leyo comrade. Hayi morale, hayi discipline. Kubafundi abenza i-IT maqabana kumele bethenge ama-laptop bezokwazi ukucheck amakhodi comrade but abayirisivala ibook allowance yet institution expect ukuthi everyone akahamba esikoleni maqabana. After the EFF took a stand comrade we initiated ukuthi abafundi abangayo esikoleni awangaphelela lapho kune-late registration eyaqala ngawo on Monday. Abantu abafundi be-late registration babehamba beyoregister there is your brother or your sister okumele ngabe useklasini kanye nawe namahamba uyo-attend kodwa akekho usazama ukukhuluma isindaba be-registration yakhe comrade. Lokho kazi ukuthi maqabana ma u-attenda wena yena engekho la ma-lecturer lawaya awanandaba comrade ngalo azonifundisa andile comrade babenikeza ama-test benikeza nokhonazona abanikeza wena kumele isabhithi ngomhlaka-10 comrade noma benikeza nekhonazona kumele nisabhithi comrade. Ngidinga izinto ekutheni niyibhale nemaqabana but aninawo lawo ma-gadgets lawo and wena mawuqhubeka uyofunda usubjecta lo munye umfundi ongakarejista comrade shuthi yena ngeke azakwazi ukuthola lo chapter leyo and NSFAS wafeyila comrade ukuhlaba phansi maqabana awusenzi ukufana the following year comrade. Uzofika nje siaphile uthi 17 mawuthi 17 comrades ukwazi uqhubeka ulungisa into zakho maqabana but-ke comrade istand set asithi asinayo emaklasini ngoba hayi ngoba sasisithanda isikolo comrade i-reality thina we are the ones abathanda kakhulu isikolo maqabana. Why so? Thina we are even fighting for those people abangekho esikoleni comrade. Siyacela sangoma efastele usimele hayi morale, hayi discipline comrade. Once again masosha yabo acela stand leso ukuthi abafundi abakwazi esikoleni because of all those issues maqabana. Thina we are the ones abathanda kakhulu isikolo ngoba we are even fighting for those people abangafundi comrade ukuthi nabo begcine befunda. Yikho sidela amakhaya comrade suka ngomhlaka 2 January maqabana qeda kubanjwa ibhalazi yangalona suku la comrade sabuya forces masifika senze show ukuthi wonke umfundi ofikayo from umfundi owenza i-masters comrade until umfundi ozokwenza i-undergrad maqabana ekwazi usizakala ngaloyo muntu. Once again masosha sengizonephapha nje sokwazana ukuhamba because angeke umfundi comrade kunabafundi la abangawatholanga ama-allowances. Labo bafundi laba comrades there is a way yokuba-assista maqabana. I don't know whether ikhona igroup or ikhona comrade igroup yabafundi bala ekhaya efaka ama-fighters comrade. I'm also forming part of those double group comrades. So ishuisha the community umfundi ongayitholanga allowance sim-attend the comrades reply kuphili sim-attend the comrades ekutheni no ngoba ayitholanga inyamazane awuyitholanga allowance singenza kanje inyamazane ezokwazi asizakale lo mfundi. Then the other most important thing comrades, USAS once again, Valentine, then you need to the company. So I see as much as I so Valentine, then you need to the company. As far as which once again, if we get sad, says statistics says that I let's hear that of cousin which why to my class. Let us finish the physical class in the company. We won't take the time to talk about it. Let's paraka we come pass. So this we Taktika parati class in complete. He like Pablo when I so pregnant on a complete of this and I don't get up to school so that you will see complete for not playing. If you mean Makabani, you will full of yam, so full of guy. That's what you are doing complete. Even our part of Minister Hotel was taught to tell complete simply because of fighting for a black child. So we're not scared to complete. We come there, Makabani. Come outside, the Yamas are run homes in the team. Come and try complete, but Nimba Sami. You were there complete, fighting them, decisively, so all of them combined. So now it's us, Sakita Classy, a Sakus the complete. Tina Saz, who is Sango, Makabani, Sikus on the school, not to shy down the school complete. Who's the boy you can marry the Classy? I see you know Fundi, see you an attitude, every food complete. Therefore, look at selfish subjects about Yaman. That's what we are fighting with Makabani. When I say Tanda, you can see me now. So the attitude then apparently high morale, high discipline. So the attitude there, then apparently in a conference. So fighter, I think I'm a comment as a God to us. When I say tomorrow, if you have Wednesday, you wake up and sleep again. You wake up and sleep again. So yagala ile klasi inasuga na nini na inasuga na nini na sitole klasi ni kombo sotila na once again kulaba abangeke beze bekwazi ukuthi berechaw sekuthina egroupini community sizofika nje ecampusini kuyigaze boy EFF comrades wearing our red Makabani now we can form part. Usunga zangu kuzofunda but uzofuma ngiphatha lo comrades sibe nawe gently Makabani siba sense shape eliqhaza ngayo ngizofana shape ngayo ngoba vele nevalentine ngikuzithola amajita afika athi afuna ufighter wise comrades imbo wodwa izofuna ufighter stadwa so nizama nje nevalentine comrades uma ukuthi uzoyiform ipart ya program esobe siyenza sasa comrades ngathi ungafika ugqoke le radio yakho Makabani uzokwazi ukuthi ube kuhle. There's also another program called a picture with a fighter comrade. We live putting from part one Makabani so that masenza show ukuthi media wethu uba muhle na ukhona comrade. Then kunabantu bebebuza ngama t-shirts athi ngabase ADC abase teams nala Hollywood bazokwazi ukuthi comrade. Uba abantu abafuna ama t-shirts eGucci e50 command ayatholakala Makabani. Kodwa akanje comrade. Uma uyi-fight, sign membership. Uyayithola nje first and quick t-shirt yakho. If ingekho ekhona siphethe ngaleso sikhathi. Lesigqokile seyiphumela sikunikeza ukunuka ngamlandi designer. Siyakhulula sikunikeze kube nalo t-shirt yakho yabo. Uma ukuthi nyamaza igqoka itop le yabo yakunikeza complete ube nayo noma iskipa lesi senanko t-shirt yakunikeza ube naso. Then if when you want to sympathize with the EFF community, same applies Makabani. Uzoyithola but when uzoyithola ngama problems so besina complete. Don't the first problem called you will come to university Razmatas complete. Whereby so besama so nje Makabani and the ama rest down so chika nje bona ukama rest so bekona around kila complete. Abazo bekaya to the class at school na Makabani. Oh by the way complete call South Beach complete. I need to beach kuna many Makabani. Hi morale. Hi. So kunjalo nje masosha sishepa kanjalo nje. Ngoba angena ukufunda abase ABC abase teams bengabhala ukuthi bebuza ama question so comrade if kunento okufuna ukuyazi ebesingayikazanga la ngabuza question comrade sikwazi ukuphendula bese siyakwazi shape ngendlela Makabani nganta comrade ungabuza nje ukwazi ukusizakala ithi isiZulu isiXhosa isivenda isitswana isitsonga comrade siyaweza ukubona mala China phezulu so nje ungabuza abasosha sikwazi ukuthi okunye engikhohliwe okubalulekile comrade inyuvesi ayisacommunicate nawe nge-email address yakho for sure bakhuluma nawe bakutshena lapha ku-orientation ukuthi kumele uvule i-email address yaka house before student email community kumele nilogele into yamail khona nizokwazi ukuthola ama-community institution if uhluleka ukuloga once again egruphini yaseresi yakho lefoma enama-fighter combat ufike ucheck-e lapha ufoma ale-low combat noma any fight ozofika uthole laphaya ufike utext uzokwazi ukuthi usize lokho sikwenza mahala ha one-question abuze ngasohle thula
uphamisa nje isandla yanisekunothe then bazokubalisa
owapasi
Osinyoba, sonyoba, osinyoba, edeote, osinyoba, sonyoba, osinyoba.
Street dash.
Yes, boyfriend, girlfriend, ilale kahle, iyefe, ithanda.
Join umzabalazo first. Join the distraction first. Eh? Awuzana umzabalazo. Ayimithi ihlale khona lapha endlini. Awuso.
Sanibona kombe.